Alright guys, this indicator caught a beautiful long signal this morning, allowing us to close Friday out strong with a 130 tick winner. This past week has been a trading week for the record books, guys and gals. Would you agree? I think a lot of you guys would agree with that. I mean, we were 5 for 5 this week. Our volume indicator bagged some nice ticks every day of the week. And if you didn't trade this week or you fumbled and bumbled around this week, shame on you for missing one of the best trading weeks of the year, man. All right. Anyway, let's get into today's trading recap, guys. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Friday, April 26th. The current time is 10:30 a.m. in the morning. I am going to be cutting out earlier than I normally do, simply because I've made my ticks for the day. And I have a firm belief that if I'm profitable on a Friday morning, then I stop trading. I bag my profits and I go have a nice weekend, as all of you guys and gals should be doing. Go out there and enjoy your profits, man. All right? Because as traders, we're banging our heads on the wall 5 days a week. We're going through a lot of stress, anxiety, and tension in order to make our money. And so when we have a really nice week, as many of us did, go out and enjoy it. Okay, because that's the purpose of trading, in my humble opinion. The purpose of day trading every day, logging a couple of hours in the morning or in the afternoon, looking for trading setups. All right, why do we do it? Well, I think most of us do it because we're trying to achieve financial freedom, right? We want to make a couple of bucks in the market, squeeze as much as we can from any large, enormous trends that we can find, which is what I was able to find this morning, and I'm going to go into that today. And when we're done with our trading, we just go enjoy our lives. That, to me, is my definition of financial freedom, right? Because I'm my own boss, and no one's going to tell me what to do. Anyway, guys, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ from today, Friday, April 26th. It was a massive up day, huge rally from yesterday's sell-off. And what I'd like to draw your attention to are the 3 entries that I took today. These are all of my live trades. You can see my live markers on the chart. I had to take a whole bunch of trades today in order to make my ticks. Like, the market really made me work for it today. But what I really want you guys to glean from this video, especially as we close out the week and head into Monday, okay, I know a lot of you guys spend your weekends learning from any trading mistakes you might have made during the week and trying to get better the next week. All right, what I'd like to show you is, once again, the raw, incredible power of a trend. Take a look at this volume indicator nailing the starting point of an uptrend. All right, as many of you guys and gals know, this volume indicator color band can detect volume flushes to the downside and to the upside. In other words, when it's red, as it is right here, we look to short the market, and when it turns green, as it did right here at 9:30 a.m., we then look to go long the market, and we look for, yup, you guessed it, retracement opportunities to enter our long trade, like this, or like this, or like this, right? I mean, the reason that I personally find this trading system to be so easy but also so fascinating is, just take a look at the picture that the market draws for you, right? Like, these beautiful, gorgeous trends that take place in the market represented simply by the volume color band. I mean, just look at how it stays green throughout all of these ebbs and flows in the market. And what I found after speaking to my own customers and clients, who, by the way, I speak to almost every day, all right, is that this volume indicator color band forces them to stay disciplined. I mean, literally, as it was green for most of the morning session today, shame on you if you tried to sell it when it's so obviously green. And in my case, I had to go long several times. You can see trade number 1, trade number 2, trade number 3. Thankfully, trade number 1 and 2 allowed me to get to break even both times. And my money bag was on trade number 3 here, which took place around 9:52 a.m. So I was basically done trading by 10 o'clock in the morning. But you can see what I'm talking about, right? Like, the way that I trade the market is almost like looking at a painting, right? Some sort of interactive tapestry where you're just watching and stalking the market for super high probability setups. Because in my humble opinion, that's the only way to find consistency and logic, and more importantly, profits in your trading journey. Okay, you have to kind of look at the market as being a live animal, and when it presents you with an opportunity to get into a trend, you gotta pounce on that, and then you just gotta ride that trend all the way up. So congrats to all of my people out there who had a phenomenal trading week, especially if you're new. What a week it was to get started. If you were new to our vol trading system, big shout out to you, and I'll see you in the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.